Ocean, the most vast and mysterious world on Earth. Its vastness, depth and history of evolution have fascinated and amazed human civilization for ages. Today we will learn how the oceans formed and how it gradually changed the face of our world. 71% of the Earth is covered in ocean water. This vast body of water affects our planet's weather, biodiversity and climate. But how did these oceans form? About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a hot volcanic planet. Its surface was covered in eruptions and molten lava flows. But over time, this lava cooled and turned into solid rock. After the lava cooled, large amounts of water vapor turned into clouds. From these clouds, heavy rains began, which continued for millions of years. This is how water began to accumulate on the surface of the Earth and formed the ancient oceans. Chemical reactions and phosphorescent light play out under the deep sea. It is in this environment that the first life seeds are sown, the tiny single-celled organisms that gradually spread life on Earth. The great journey of evolution begins. Small organisms divide and become complex organisms. Thus, the diversity of life increases and the oceans become the first refuge of life. The ancient world was a single continent, called Pangaea. But the movement of the tectonic plates slowly moved the continents to form the map of the world we know today. As the continents moved, the oceans expanded. The Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans, each has a different history and characteristics. During the age of the dinosaurs, vast forests and biodiversity developed along the coast. Prehistoric sea creatures ruled the waters, which are now extinct. There are 5 major oceans on Earth today: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. They are interconnected and form a vast water cycle. The deep ocean floor has ridges, valleys, and deep holes. The Mariana Trench is the deepest place on Earth, at 11,034 meters deep. Dwelling in the darkness of the deep sea are some strange and mysterious creatures, such as the anglerfish and the giant squid, which can create light in the dark. Man has sailed since ancient times to discover the unknown mysteries of the oceans. The sea was their main route of trade, communication and discovery of new lands. Ports, cities and commercial centers developed along the coast. These cities have played an important role in the world's economy since ancient times. Currently, climate change is causing polar ice caps to melt and ocean water levels to rise, posing a major threat to coastal areas. Man-made plastic pollution threatens ocean biodiversity. Marine animals are endangered by eating plastic. And this pollution is also entering our food chain. The ocean is not just a body of water. It is the source of life, the regulator of the environment, and the reservoir of unknown mysteries. It is our responsibility to ensure the protection of the ocean, so that future generations can enjoy this wonderful world. Let us all pledge together to protect the incredible beauty and diversity of our oceans.